Hi, Catherine. Thank you for letting me send you this quick video. I'm going to be showing you how to improve how improving your website could get you more potential clients. I'm going to be showing you also your competition around the area and, of course, statewide. So first things first that I can see here, your website seems to have only one page with a lot of anchors. So every time you click on some uh, of these items on the menu is not taking you to another page. It's the same page with different anchors. What that means that if you don't have different pages, you have less content. When you have less content, you can you're not going to be picked up by Google because I will suggest you have at least on the home page, just on the home page, at least uh, over 2,000 words of content. How's that gonna help you? When you add original content and specific keywords, then Google is gonna notice that eventually, and you can be found for those keywords that you're gonna be targeting to. So that's one of the things I can see here. Content is definitely a must that you should consider. Excuse me. And of course, if you have more images, that will work also. The other thing that I wanted to show you here, you might want to have this with some sort of security, like a reCAPTCHA or something like that, so you don't get spam from other people that is or people that is not going to be a potential client. Besides that, so he looks nice. The colors are, are, are on point, I believe. Um, Let's take a look on the back end of your website really quick. If I analyze your website with this tool over here, I can see that you're only being picked up for 3 keywords, and you only have 17 backlinks. What are backlinks? Backlinks are other pages that are mentioned in your business, and that will give you your website power. So this number over here for the domain rating can increase, and eventually you can be found more easy on Google. Same thing with the URL rating. This comes from citations. Citations are the same as backlinks, but they're specifically for mentioning your website or your business from different directories. So you can see that even though you have 17, this number is 0, of course, and this is 9. It's pretty low. And I'm going to show you something here on a Google search. If I go and type financial advisor Englishtown, yes, you come up on the map pack, which is good. But on the organic search, which are these spots over here, um, you can see Yelp. That's a directory. But these guys over here are your main competition. So if we want to look at their website, you can see they have a little more content than you do, but they have different pages, and that gives them a little more chance of getting more content. Resources you can see here. Each one of these are pages, different pages. Same thing. Each one of these items in the menu. That's one of the things that you want to consider, like I said. And let's take a look on the back end of them. See, they have over 1,400 backlinks. They're being picked up for 333 keywords. So that's a large number, and you can see that the domain rating and the URL are a little bit high, but that doesn't mean that you can outrank them. That means that these guys are definitely know what a marketing strategy is. That's why they have this amount of key backlinks helping their website to be in rank for. And you can see that they're not even um, they're not even from New Jersey. They're from Pennsylvania. So they're targeting, uh, I'm sorry, they have a lot of locations. So yeah, you can see Multnomah County, the corporate office. Okay, they're from New Jersey. Apologies. Um, yeah, but they have different locations. So that's giving them the power that they need. And of course, you can see that this is going to give them uh, the resources to be being found on Google. So if we go back here, I can't really find your website. And you want to be at least on your hometown, in your local area to be found for. Um, that's one of the things that I want to show you. And another one, I'm not sure if you're going to be if you're going to target the whole state. So if I do accounting service New Jersey, for example, you can see here, I'm going to explain this little bit of Google Ads. That's a hit or miss, in my opinion. If it's not done properly, Google's going to take your money and it's not going to guarantee you, if somebody clicks here, it's not going to guarantee you that's going to be a customer. So every time that somebody clicks here, it's going to cost you money, even though they're not going to guarantee it's going to be a customer. So uh, back to the keyword, Kansas, New Jersey. You want to be here, and this is something that can be done with a proper strategy. And you can see these guys #1 position. So if we're going to look at this CG team, you can see here, of course, they have content on the homepage, have more content than you do. But again, what is helping them is that they have more pages on what the services are. And that's a little more content for them. If you want to look at the back end of the website, same thing. They have over 1,000 backlinks. The domain rating is 22. And that's what you want to be at least try to target, so you can be competing with these other companies that are giving the same services that you are. I want to show you another one really quick. Financial advisor search in New Jersey. Same thing. You can be targeting for that keyword. You can be found here if that's done properly, and you can be found on these organic searches. So let's take a look at this one, for example. It's not even top 5, but I want to show you really quick. KaplanFinancialAdvisors.com. You get the website. Same thing. Services, and they have more content. Simple as that. If we're going to look at the website, again, see they have more backlinks, the domain rating and the URL rating are a little bit higher. So that's something you can actually take in consideration, having the links, the backlinks, and the keywords. I don't want to take much of your time. And the last thing that I want to show you is these things over here. I can see an average of how many searches a month for financial advisor, for example. New Jersey, there's an average of 250 searches a month. That could be potential clients for you. In accounting services, New Jersey have around 30 searches a month for this keyword. That could be also a keyword that you want to target for. Other than that, if you have any questions, let me know. If you think we can help you out, yes, reach out. Be more than happy to discuss some options with you guys. And if you have any feedback about this video, same thing, let me know. Thank you.